What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 27th. Let's get right to the very first article. The Motley Fool, you know it's reputable, you know it's legit. Fourth stimulus check update. How going big may actually lead to another round of fourth stimulus check payments. That's the very first article. Then we have right here CNBC. Those fourth $1,400 stimulus checks are still arriving in the mail. Here's how to spot them. Here's how to actually figure out if you're eligible and if you'll be receiving additional stimulus checks. And then we have the very last article, as you see right here, economic impact payments dispersed to actual veterans. If we take a look at what's highlighted, recently dispersed more than 25 million payments in the fourth batch of economic impact payments from American Rescue Plan. Many of these payments were actually sent directly to veterans and their beneficiaries. So what does this mean? If you are a veteran, make sure to check your bank account as well as your physical mailbox. All three of these articles are very reputable, very legit sources. As you see right here, CNBC, those $1,400 stimulus checks are still arriving by mail. And the Motley Fool, again, very reputable. Fourth stimulus check updates. How going big may lead to another round of direct fourth stimulus check payments. I just want to take 2 seconds out this video real quick before we go into details, guys. Before we summarize all three of these articles, I want to let you know I post daily videos every single day, minimum 1 if not 2 videos. I post daily. Not only that, in every single video I give away free Amazon gift card giveaway. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment the word giveaways, or just comment emoji. Any emoji will enter you. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment giveaways, or just an emoji. And then when this video hits 500 likes, I'll be picking the winner from this giveaway in tomorrow's video. And let's get back to the article, starting with the very first article. Allegedly, I have to say alleged, more stimulus checks are actually being sent out right here. With millions of American families still in need, many will be listening closely for President Biden's upcoming speech. If you don't know, hopefully, today is Tuesday, but hopefully by the end of this week, Joe Biden will give a speech, and allegedly, according to my source, he will announce a fourth and fifth stimulus package, and potentially including an additional fourth and fifth stimulus checks. It might be reoccurring, it might be a one-time payment, it might be monthly, but me personally, I think it's very possible to expect, additional at least one more fourth stimulus checks of potentially $1,400, maybe $1,200. We don't really know, 100% what's going to be included, but we do know there's a possibility of potentially, allegedly, including a fourth, maybe even fifth stimulus checks, maybe even reoccurring monthly stimulus checks. We don't know until Joe Biden actually gives his speech, which is rumored to be, according to my source, by the end of this week. Hopefully, it could be tomorrow, it could be today, it could be Thursday or Friday, but allegedly, Joe Biden is supposed to give a speech, and in this speech, he's going to talk about the next, fourth and fifth stimulus packages, and if he's actually going to include stimulus checks in these packages, how much you're going to get. But if you see right here, if you're still waiting on your $1,400 stimulus checks, check your mailboxes. People are getting them, specifically veterans. If you are a veteran, also if you're on SSI or SSDI, if you receive some kind of Social Security from the government, those two people with Social Security and veterans, are actually being sent out stimulus check, additional checks, guys, plus up payments to both their bank accounts and their physical mailboxes. And I want to let people know, people ask me in the comments, how come you make daily videos? Because every single day there's huge updates, a lot of things. I want to keep people updated every single day. Not only that, I want to give away free money daily. Every single day I upload 1 to 2 videos, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment the word giveaway or an emoji. Either one of those will actually enter you in the giveaway, but you must hit that like and subscribe button. Every single day I post a video, every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you do want to support me and you want to support my channel, my daily giveaways, please hit this white join button on my channel. If you hit this white join button, you become a member. It only costs 99 cents. For less than $1 as a member, you get a diamond next to your name that changes colors. You get members only exclusive emojis. You get members only exclusive community tab, exclusive content, pictures, videos, polls, live streams, giveaways. Every single day I go live for my members only. They can interact with me live in chat, answer their questions, answer their emails. I literally give away free Amazon gift cards every single month. It only costs 99 cents. Hit this white join button. All the money does go to charity. I also do have a Patreon in the description. And finally, if you do want to support me, I do have my own clothing line. Every single shirt is 100% cotton, very good design quality, and the best part of all the money goes to someone else in need. If we take a look right here, very good design quality, 100% cotton, as you can see right here, bam. And all the shirts are very affordable, $19.99, all made inside the USA. Please enter the giveaway, hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment, guys. Daily videos, daily giveaway. Just a quick video today. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.